Nih,
Apa surprise dia? Tambah kamu duit lah, singkang am tas ni.
Kublai yapi manga Melvin Mukim naka film Haling Kabneng na komen ban pentip shapi ba nginwan rab yang sa sisi ni ka film ha ususo tham auditorium na ruga kapra tarik adu lifeway tarik ubnai jamang ki por kilong khanar baje mensngi ar baje mensngi san baje janmiet bat hanyo baje demiet turmen manya kendu biang yapi sa sisin
ki khubor kapatisi TV Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ki Pulit ka William Nagar, haka arpaw truk jamang aja pun riau, kila kami new herd sangma. Baju kotsen u B12. Ubasa akasnong acak cangki gere William Nagar halor ke jingkeno ba uthat digidur Kynshleiñ ba isajment a Facebook account ban Pynjah Burom mi Kynthei hau kurwa ula pha lu Superintendent of Police ka East Garo Hills upa SA Rangbah ula pentip bagi Pulit kila register case persya yo u ha William Nagar police station hapo ki kendon jang ka BNS pat hapo ka kendon jang ka Information Technology Act arajar Ki Pulit kila pelong ke jing tokit ke babanya hadin kila yo pediang ya ke jing ujur hadin ba new herd ulale ya kene ka kam po ajait da ka bathap ya kidur Kynshleiñ ha Facebook account pada ka YouTube channel jong u kabala banyo ilut da ki pat ba nong pendan kam social media
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Kynshleiñ is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.